We're standing right at the edge of a massive shift, moving into a world of what you might call ambient intelligence. This is where technology stops being a separate tool we use and just becomes a seamless, invisible part of our environment. 2026, it's not some distant sci-fi future, it's right around the corner, and the rules of the game are changing fast.
So just how fast are we talking? Well, get ready for this. By 2026, it's expected that AI could automate up to 70% of the everyday tasks that make up our jobs right now. This isn't just a minor software update. We're talking about a fundamental overhaul of how we function, and it's all happening across three major frontiers.
The first of these frontiers is the complete reinvention of work itself. We're moving way beyond just using computers as fancy calculators or typewriters. They're becoming our collaborators, fundamentally changing how we create things, how we build things, and how we solve complex problems.
And this really shows you the democratization of creation. Not too long ago, building an app was a job reserved for highly skilled engineers. But by 2026, over 75% of all new applications are going to be built using low-code or even no-code platforms. We're talking about simple, intuitive drag-and-drop tools that let pretty much anyone bring an idea to life without ever touching a single line of code.
And here we can see the new scale of automation. It all started with just automating one repetitive task at a time. Then it grew, and now entire complex workflows, from the hiring process to sending out invoices, are being automated. But the real game changer, the big leap, is this final step: delegation. We're now at a point where we can just hand off a goal to a fully autonomous AI agent and let it figure out how to get it done. So what is an AI agent? The best way to think about it is like a digital employee that you can delegate really complex work to. A fantastic example is Cognition Labs' Devin. It's basically an AI software engineer that you can give a simple prompt to, and it will go and autonomously build, debug, and even deploy a complete website all on its own. Now, this intelligence isn't just stuck in the cloud. It's actually getting a physical body. AI-powered robots have left the research labs and are now officially on the clock, working commercial jobs. We've got humanoid robots being tested in Amazon warehouses, autonomous scanners zipping down the aisles at Walmart, and delivery bots are already a totally normal sight on college campuses.
And the really wild part is that this technology is becoming scalable and, frankly, affordable. Robots like Tesla's Optimus and Figure AI's Figure 01 are getting more capable and cheaper all the time. The idea that a humanoid robot could soon cost less than a small car, well, that means we are right on the cusp of them becoming a widespread, normal part of our labor force.
So, changing how we work, that's just the first piece of the puzzle. The second frontier is our world itself becoming intelligent and interactive. The physical environment is being woven into this massive, responsive, data-driven network. By 2026, we're looking at over 30 billion connected IoT devices. That's the backbone of our new smart infrastructure. And this isn't just your smart thermostat. We're talking about traffic lights in Singapore that adjust in real time to ease congestion, or entire warehouses that manage their own inventory. The world is literally coming alive with data. A key driver behind all this is the rise of on-device intelligence. These new edge AI chips process information locally, right on your device, instead of sending it off to the cloud. And the benefits are huge. You get near zero latency, which is crucial for real-time applications. And you get way better privacy, since your personal data never has to leave your device in the first place.
And all that on-device power is giving birth to something really new: AI-native operating systems. So AI isn't just another app you click on anymore. It's being baked right into the system's core. A perfect example is Microsoft's Copilot in Windows. It makes the entire computer a collaborative partner that can summarize your files or generate images just by asking.
And of course, when the world around us gets smarter, the way we interact with it has to change too. Screens are starting to give way to things like AR glasses that provide real-time information overlaid directly onto your view of the world. And in our homes, assistants are evolving from just a smart speaker on the counter to mobile robots like Amazon's Astro, which can actually patrol the house and interact with us physically. So, we've gone from our work to our world. The third frontier is the most personal and honestly the most profound: the merger of technology with our own biology. This is where the line between the user and the device completely blurs, as technology becomes a true extension of our bodies and our health.
Just look at how fast things have evolved here. Wearables started out as glorified step counters, right? Now they're these incredibly sophisticated 24/7 health monitors. Devices like the Oura Ring can track your sleep cycles and even detect temperature changes before you even feel sick. And soon, they'll be able to monitor things like blood sugar and blood pressure non-invasively, giving us a constant stream of vital health data. And all of that data is being used by AI, which is essentially becoming our personal health analyst. Take Google's DeepMind AI, for example. It can analyze a retinal scan and identify signs of disease earlier and more accurately than many human specialists. This is what leads to truly personalized healthcare, with treatment plans that are tailored to our unique genetic makeup. But the next step is even more direct: brain-computer interfaces. The ability to control technology with our minds has officially moved out of the realm of science fiction and into scientific fact. This is no longer a theoretical what-if scenario. The first major steps have already been taken. In early 2024, Neuralink successfully implanted its first device in a human patient, allowing them to control a computer cursor just by thinking. At the same time, you have companies like Synchron developing less invasive BCIs that are already helping people with paralysis communicate and regain a sense of control. So when you put this all together, the reinvention of work, the intelligence of our world, and the integration with our own bodies, a very clear picture starts to form. We are fundamentally redefining our relationship with technology itself. And here's the absolute core of it all, the most important takeaway. For all of human history, technology has been a tool, something we command and control. That era is ending. We are now entering a world where technology is an intelligent partner we collaborate with, one we delegate real responsibility to. This shift from tool to partner isn't just about new gadgets or better software. It's profoundly human. It's going to redefine our roles, what skills are valuable, and our very potential. As technology evolves into our partner, our own evolution is the next chapter waiting to be written.